Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to add country and phone number field in contact form 7. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. Then let's get started. Very fast, let's check which I'm going to do in this tutorial. So navigate to the another tab and you can see already I have added a contact form which I built with contact form 7, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can add this type of country field. You can see this is the country flag. If you click this down arrow, the country list will open as a drop down item or drop down menu. Then this is the phone field. If you click here, then the country phone number code will show here, then you can write the phone number here. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can do it. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard and very fast I have to install a contact form 7 add-on. That's why hover over on plugins and click on add plugin. Just search here country and phone field contact form 7. This is the add-on country and phone field contact form 7. In this tutorial I am going to use it. So just click over here, install now, then activate. Okay, you can see the add-on is installed and activated successfully. Now go to the website where I want to add this field. Just this is the website and navigate to the contact us page. From the right side menu, just click over here. You can see this is the contact form. Okay, already I have added some field. You can see I have added our services as a drop down menu, then the multiple file upload option and Google reCAPTCHA. If you want to add this type of field in your contact form 7 form, then you can check my previous video. Just go to my YouTube channel WP Henry and go to playlist and contact form 7 tutorials, then you will get it. Okay, so now I can close this tab and I want to add phone number and country field just below the our services area. Okay, so again go to the admin dashboard and this is the contact. So hover over on it and click on contact forms. Okay, then this is the contact form on. I have shown this contact form here. Okay, so I have to edit it. Just click over here, scroll down and you can see this is the our services area. I want to add country and phone number field just below this field. Okay, now I can enter here, just select and give enter. Okay, this is the country drop down and phone number. So very fast I want to give country then the phone number. Okay, so I can copy this field and paste here. Then I can remove the previous shortcode which is used for the services area. Just remove it, then again copy it and paste here. That's why I need two fields. Okay, country and phone number. So I can write here country name, then I can write here phone number. Okay, now select this area. Just I want to give just between this div start and close. Okay, so just select this area and click over here country drop down. Okay, this is record field. Definitely I want to record it. Then field name is okay, default value, like you can write here any country name. Just I want to give here India. Okay, then insert tag. Okay, this field is ready. Then again phone number field, just select this area and click over here phone number. Then the is record and default. I can give here just this number. This is the dummy number actually. Okay, then the insert tag. Okay, now I can save it from here or you can save from the right side top. Okay, Again go to the contact us page, just reload this page, and okay, you can see the field is added perfectly. Now I have to work with it. Again go to the contact form editor, then navigate to the mail tab. You can see this is the mail tab. Just scroll down and you can see country and phone number. This shortcode is bold, that's meant I have to work it. So just copy this field. Okay, then I can paste here. This is the message area actually. Okay, I do not want to give here, so again cut and give here. Okay, just I can formatting this text, just country name, so I can give here country name as a label, country name, then the phone number. Okay, okay, this field is ready. Now again save it from the right side top and go to the contact us page and refresh it, then try to send a message from here. So just type name, email address, subject, then the services area I want to give it, then the country name, just give any, and I want to give like here it's a dummy phone number, and text give here like I want to give this text. Okay, select file, click over here, then select a file. Okay, I want to give it, then I'm not a robot, actually it's a Google reCAPTCHA. Already I have published this video. If you want to add this type of Google reCAPTCHA in your contact form in your contact form 7, then you can check my previous video. Okay, click over here, then submit it. Okay, you can see the form is submitted and it redirected to the another page. So if you want to add this type of feature, like if you submit the contact form, then it will be redirect to the another custom page. Then you can check my previous videos. Just go to my YouTube channel and check contact form 7 tutorials playlist. Okay, then you will get it. Okay, now I can check my email. So open another tab. Okay, you can see already I have received this email. Just click over here, then you can see this is the name, email address, subject, and this is the message, service and country name, then the phone number. So in this tutorial I have shown how you can add phone number and country field in contact form 7. I hope it will help you very much. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.